Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning the cursive K. Okay, this is a manuscript K. You come down, then you go to the dotted line and go to the middle and tuck it in and come back down. So a cursive K is much like that. Okay, we're going to start at the bottom. We're going to go up, loop back, slant down, go up with a forward curve, come in and tuck it in right there, and then bring it back down and around, okay? All right, so I'm going to try this again. Here I go. I'm going to go up, loop back, come down, go up, around, tuck it in, and bring it back down and around. Go up, loop back, come down, go up. You never pick up your pencil. If you are picking up your pencil, you're not doing it right. Watch me do it. Go back up to that same line. Just make a loop right there. It's kind of like you're tying your shoe. Go up, loop back, go up, loop forward, tuck it in, and bring it down and around. Go up, loop back, go down, straight back up, loop forward, tuck it in, and bring it down and around. Okay, so I want you to try that. You're going to go up, down, go straight back up, forward curve around and tuck it in and come back down and around. Keep doing that. If you are not doing it right, just stop and watch me do it. Down. Do not pick up your pencil until you get completely finished. Okay, you go ahead and you finish out the K's. Okay, I'm going to let you go ahead and finish this bottom row right here. And by the way, this says kittens, knitting, mittens. Kittens, knitting, mittens. And over here you've got these funny kittens, and they're knitting them some mittens. Okay, so after you make your row of K's, start the video again, and then come down here and we're going to join the K and other letters. First, we're going to join the K, come down, back up, forward curve around, tuck it in, bring it down, under curve into your E, loop back and back up. That's a K and an E. Now you try it. Okay, our next letters are a K and an I. We're going to go up, loop back, come down, bring it around, tuck it in, go back up, and then pick up and dot your I. Now you try it. Okay, now we're going to do K and L. And now you try it. If I'm going too fast, you can stop the video. Okay, now I'm going to do I, K, E. I, K, E. Pick up my pencil, dot my I. Now you try it. And then we have E, E, K. E, E, K. Now you try it. Now we're going to come down to the bottom row, and we're going to join the K and other letters to make whole words now. This word is it, kit, K-I-T. K-I-T. This word is B-I-K-E, b-I-k, bike. B. Remember your B has a check stroke. Loop back on your K, loop back on your E. Pick up your pencil and dot your I. Remember, you never pick up your pencil until you're completely completely finished with the whole word. Okay, now we're going to write the word week. W, check stroke into your E, loop back, go up, loop back, go up, all the way to the top and loop back, go back up, forward curve, tuck it in, and come back down for week. And this word is kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Okay, here we go, loop up, back, forward, K-I-T-E. Okay, pick up your pencil, dot your I, and cross your T. Okay, now I'm going to circle my best tall letter, the one I think is the best. So I'm going to go through here. Ooh, I really like this K right here. I'm going to circle it. Okay, very good. If you need to keep practicing, you can rewind this video and watch it as much as you need to make sure that you are making these letters correctly. It's very hard if you start making them wrong to unlearn the wrong way. So make sure that you are making your letters correctly. It's very, very important.